MORAKNIV Garberg with survival kit is a powerful full-tang knife designed to withstand the toughest challenges. The 3.2mm thick blade is made of Swedish stainless steel, and both the spine and rear end are ground to a 90-degree sharp angle, making it compatible with the integrated fire starter that is attached to the survival kit. Remember to take care of your knife. Sharpen the blade on the integrated diamond sharpener when in need. Garberg with survival kit is the ultimate tool for your next adventure.